That's a tool I need to get for long range. Hey, welcome folks. So today got a little bit of a challenge, less than ideal conditions, 15 to 20 mile per hour gust winds, and we're shooting a mile. So I got a IPSC target and a milk jug, and I'm gonna see how this thing does. My shooting solution calls for 80 MOA. I have 70 that I can go up on the scope here. This is an SWFA 16 fixed power scope. And with a left crosswind, like I said, 20 miles per hour, coming in at around negative 68 degrees. You know, for you guys that have ballistic apps, I got to dial in 22 MOA. So 70 on the scope, holding over 10 MOA, and then 20 dialed in left. 10 shots, and then if I don't hit it, we'll take a little break and go at it again. So let's get to it. I'm shooting a 140 grain ELD bullet. I changed the primer to a BR4, and I with the same powder charge of 42.6 grains, and it's giving me a pretty good standard deviation and a little bit of a velocity boost. Instead of it being 2760 FPS, I'm around 2800, just with changing the primers with no accuracy effects this time. So we'll see what this does. Here, it's all about holding position, using the Mirage to judge wind. It's just squeezing that trigger. Elevation was dead on. Gotta come right. It's like 3 or 4 MOA. Bottom right. Oh man. Oh, 6 o'clock, just below the plate. So it's just a battle with the wind now. That is a hit at 1 mile. Nice. May have been the bottom right. Nice. Top right, that was a flyer. Oh man, right. Oh, the hit. hit. Looks like I held left. Whoa. Impact. Bottom right. Off the right. Oh, just above. Man. Alright, let's check out those hits. According to this, I don't think I hit the milk jug, but got 3 hits on target. What the heck happened to the milk jug? Oh, what the heck? Well, I didn't hit it. Dang it. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see that. That was hanging like this. It's pretty dang close. Close to the milk jug. And yeah. No holes on the milk jug. Dang it. Didn't want to sacrifice my GoPro this time, so stuck it way down here. Viewing up like this. So let's go check out the hits, see what we got. So here's the impacts. Sorry for the wind. 3 impacts and they're very, very light. You can see at 1 mile, that's barely putting on any kind of energy at all. I'm roughly subsonic for around 350 yards. But 3 hits, I got 1. That was pretty close to the milk jug there, and 2 down here. So got 1 impact here, 1 impact there. I'll get back to where the wind doesn't bother us so much. Well, folks, with the 6.5 Creedmoor, that is definitely impressing me with the performance, especially with today's conditions. I think I got nearly 22 mile per hour gust winds, and at 1 mile I was having to hold 23 MOA left, so I was definitely fighting the wind. With the Mirage as well, but what's cool with the Mirage is I'm able to actually see where the wind, if there's any kind of changes in it. You'll see kind of a wave or a haze coming this way, and any kind of crosswind changes, you'll see another wave a little further down. I did see that today, which is pretty cool, and I was able to kind of judge and my holdovers. But like I said, this rifle is just performing awesome. It's just a stock Savage 110 tactical, chambered at 6.5 Creedmoor. It's got a 24-inch bull barrel, and I'm shooting the 140 grain Hornady ELDs with some Starline small rifle prime brass. And I'm telling you, if anybody is getting into long range with the 6.5 Creedmoor, small rifle primers are the way to go. Just changing it to a small rifle primer with a Magnum 450 primer, I was getting a pretty good velocity increase. And then today when I shot the BR4 primers, it gave me a little bit more velocity increase, and it didn't open my groups up. So pretty cool with that. I might stick with that kind of load. But for now, I'm pretty happy with this rifle. They do have a sale coming up for Cabela's. If you guys don't know, but the Savage 12 FV. Now it isn't the 110 tactical, which has a different bottom metal that takes AICS magazines. However, you could get the same kind of rifle setup similar to this one, but in a non-threaded 26-inch barrel. And that rifle is just known to be a tack driver. So I highly recommend getting, if you're looking into a 6.5 Creedmoor, look into that Savage 12 FV from Cabela's. It's a pretty good deal, and you can throw yourself on a Boyd stock and definitely get a good performing rifle out of it. If you are needing a muzzle brake, Witt's machine does make a clamp-on style muzzle brake So there we go. You got a way to put a muzzle brake device on there. For a suppressor, of course, you're going to probably have to take the barrel off and get it threaded. But for the price, I believe it's 319 or 399 bucks. Under $400 for a rifle. Look into it. Other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned, stick around. There's going to be more challenges coming up pretty soon, of course. Some more load development. And you know, I want to see what you guys want to see. Let me know, comment below. That way I got an idea of what you guys want to see. If you like long range, well, here's a channel for you. If you guys are into pistols, I do have a few matches that are coming up that I might be joining. So stay tuned, stick around for that. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.